I'm liking about this is there's so many new markets and there's so many new props in each market. There aren't automated tools for every single one of them. It's like if you think about it logically, this has been around for a couple years. I feel like it's been popping for about last election, really popping. Okay, now it's been a full year, so automated traders we're here. Okay, we've been here for a few months, but it's just a few of us, you and I, people in their bedrooms. So Wall Street is coming. They will be here soon, but will it be a year? Will it be 2 years? Will it be 5 years? This is the question. I think it's going to be a year. No, there are arms here, but still, a lot of automated traders. So is Jim Simons here yet? Yes or no? The answer is no. Okay, so if that's the case, I want to keep building for this. So let's go ahead and play terminal here. My Claude codes. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up the Polymarket one. Okay, great. All right, so you can see in the dashboard here that we do no markets. Essentially, what I want to do here is build in the course file. I want to build a no market bot, it's called. And essentially, it will go ahead and it'll print out all the no markets in the last 30 minutes. And then it will get the... Damn, I canceled that. Okay, so you can see I have no markets on the scanner here. So what I want to do is I want to build a no market bot, and that no market bot will be in the course folder, and essentially it will head and trade those no markets. It will trade 1% size, so it'll get the account value and then get 1% of it, and then go ahead and anytime there's a new market, it will go ahead and put a bid. It's actually going to do 2%, but make that a variable at the top of the code. It'll put a bid on the no market at 10% less. So we'll get the no side and see what the price is for the bid, but then it will go 10% less and put their bid there. So it's essentially the only data it's going to see are the no markets from our dashboard, right? Okay, so if it only sees that no market data and then it only puts bids on that no side, but 10% lower, and that'll be a variable as well, so we can change it to like 20%, 30% lower. This will make it so it's only betting no markets ever, and it's betting at a price that is lower than the current price now. There will be no exit for this bot. It will just hold till resolution. The thesis here is that 80 some percent of markets end in no. So if we can get an absolute deal on that no, then we'll buy it. But if not, then we won't. So actually go ahead and put it at 20% below. Make sure things are printed out amply. So essentially I want to print out the market, the current no bid. I want to print out our bid. I want to print out our total size of the account. And then if we're using this variable, which is 2%, I want to print out how much size that 2% will be. And I also want to print out our bid will be compared to the bid now. Okay, so that's the whole process. Inside the course folder, you know how to make buys and sells. You know how to get the yeses and the nos, the bids, the asks. You know all that. So look through that course folder and then go ahead and build this for me. Ask me any questions before starting. Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start that up. I'm actually going to launch this website so you can have this data. So let's go ahead and do that while she's doing that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and launch a server. So let's say, what is this? What the heck? I'm using Alma Linux. I'm going to say new instance. Okay, here's some questions before we start. All right, Moon. I got the concept. Let me make sure I start. Reads no markets from sweeper dashboard. Yes. Gets account balance for each no market, current no bid price. Place a limit order at 20% below. Position size 2% of the account. Yes. Hold until resolution. Yes. Market name. We should also print out the link to Should it read no markets from sweeps database or the live sweeper dashboard? Whichever's easier to get the no markets. I think this is probably chill, but it doesn't matter. I don't care about that. I just wanted to get the no markets. Run once and place all orders, then run in a loop, checking for new no X minutes. Check for new markets every 30 minutes. Duplicate prevention. Definitely duplicate so it only enters a no market one. Use the same ENV as before. We won't do crypto or sports, so none of those. And that's it. So go ahead and start building it. Thank you. Okay, so she's got it. So let's go ahead and see what she does. I got a Cloud VDS. Cloud VDS 2. Cloud VDS 2. Virtual DS VDS. What's that VDS? Dedicated. Yeah, that's dedicated. Okay. Cloud VDS. Okay, I found it. Okay, it's 41 euros a month. So I'm about to launch this website so you can use this data at the minimum. Okay, Ubuntu, that's fine. Pay and deploy. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm launching a new server here. Hey, 49 euros here. Paying 49 euros for this to be live for you. New server for prediction. Da 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 da. Okay, so let's see here. These are my I need you to walk me through step by step how to set up a server essentially on my Ubuntu that is using VS Code where I log in below with a name and we'll call that name. It's essentially I'm trying to conceal the IP address because I'm sharing on live. So I know I can go into the SSH and make the name of it something different, but I also need to figure out how to get that password in there so I don't have to use the password every time. And then also I need you to walk me through how to set up the su-moondev and make sure that server goes ahead and is in its own safe environment. Essentially, I want to copy what I did above, but I also need you to walk me through the Ubuntu Cherry servers setup. I already got the server from Cherry servers. I just need to conceal the IP while I'm on stream. So right now I have essentially login with VS Code and I'm able to put that host name as something different. So it's never shown. But yeah, go ahead and give me step by step. Don't put any keys or any IPs or anything here. Okay, it looks like she's done, dude. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, already. Wow. So of course, no market bot. So it reads the no markets from sweep CSV, filters out sports and crypto price markets, places limit orders 20% below current no bid, 2% size per market configurable, runs every 30 minutes, checking for no or for new no markets, tracks traded markets. Okay, never trades the same market twice. What it prints, processing no markets. Okay. Account balance, current bid, our bid, order placed successfully, position size, Bid discount 20%. Okay. Check interval 30 minutes. Nice. Minimum sweep. Okay. CD up in there. No market bot. No market. Okay. Okay. Work every 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and try to do that. Let's say Honda activate to activate T flow. Damn, this is 10 steps. Nginx reverse proxy. Now there's an easier way to do this. Okay, complete step-by-step guide to set up your streaming safe Ubuntu server with SSH key authentication. There's got to be an easier way to do this because I didn't do all this. Anyways, let's go ahead and try to get this running first. Let's see if it does run okay. /no market file. Let's say Python here. Python. Okay, you can see balance here. Sweeps not found. Okay. I probably need to. I got this error here. Continue to portal here. SSH Moondev stream. Okay, that's live now. So let's grab all the information needed. Primary IP. And then let's go to Visual Studio Code here. Cursor. Let's show you this. So I can show me that. Connect to host here. Configure SSH host. Okay, so this is the weird thing here. All right, simplify it a bit because essentially all I did was put this into my hosts here and I want to do something similar. Maybe I SSH'd one time into it or something and connected it. But yeah, simplify the connecting to the host. I have the IP address, I have the username, and I'm gonna do something similar here, but I'll call it something else. I'll call it like prediction or something. Okay, so we're back here. Good morning. Okay, so you can see here. All right, I fixed it. All right, beautiful. That's all I wanted to know. Checking balance. Okay, getting market not found or closed. Couldn't get bid. Placing limit order. Failed. Place limit order. Price is 0.008. Minimum is 0.01. Okay, so there we go. That's good. Let's see here. Terminal. It's weird because I have all of these no markets, but maybe it's for the last 30 minutes actually. So let's go ahead. I think that's the truth. Yeah, that's probably it. So it is using the last 30 minutes. Market not found or closed. Let's go look at that market, see if it's actually closed. Yeah, it's not closed. It's odd because a couple of the markets were not found. You can see here. Okay, let's keep working on this. Create a SSH key. Okay, I already have. Assume I already have. Assume I already have an SSH key. Then go ahead and tell me how to set this up. And you can see here that in that screenshot I sent you, it just says the host, which I gave it the custom name, the host name, which is the actual IP, and the user root. So it works somehow based off of that. So I must have like set the SSH key in a different place because you saw the actual screenshot. So show me how to set it up exactly just like that. I'll put the stuff in now. Okay, so I need to duplicate these essentially. You can't see this part because it's my IP address and my password. And if I gave you this, then you have my soul. I don't even have to put my password in there. Okay, so you can see, let's see here. Actually, you can't see this, but open your SSH config file, edit it, add to your new one. Nah, there's got to be a different way. There's got to be a different way that I did this. Maybe I can just like see what my current SSH is right now and then connect it there. I don't remember doing the opening and adding something there. Okay, no market's not found, or market's not found, already closed or resolved. What this means? Perfect. I fixed both the issues. So the thing is I opened one of those markets and it is still available. It's still there. So yeah, we need to debug it. It said it's closed or not found, but it's definitely there. So view your existing SSH config. This will show you exactly how MoonDAV is set up. Okay, let's try that. Press F1. So you can see this is exactly how my config is currently set up. The weird thing is when I try to yeah, I don't know how I log into that Moondash without even having to type in a password these days. So I must have set something up and I can't remember how to do that. So I'm talking to the AI over here. Okay, so perfect. The API works fine. The market is active. Close is false. The token ID is ready to trade. The slug returns valid data. So the bot's logic must have an issue. Restart the bot. I've added new debugging. Let's get it. markets with 13. Okay, so here's some more information. Four new no trades. Okay, beautiful. Here is the output. Okay, so okay, beautiful. So let's see here. Perfect. Now I see the exact setup. You can log in without a password because the SSH key is already on those servers. You have this SSH key probably there. You already opened it. Okay. Add to the config. At the bottom, add at the bottom, keep the same format you're using. So SSH copy ID. Can you give me exact step by step? This is the one that's the new one I need to set up. Thank you. Okay, it looks like we're compacting here, so let's let her compact. GM, what's up, Anna? Set the host name to something inconspicuous. Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it. I just need step by step. I need them to hold my hand through it. That's all. We'll get it. Are every position that's swiping up yours? No. That'd be dope though. Okay, so copy the SSH to your server. Open the terminal on your Mac and run SSH copy ID. Okay. Yes. What will happen? Are you sure you want to continue? Type yes and press enter. It'll copy your SSH to the server. Test the connection. Put my password in. Oh, that's not my password. Beautiful. Permission denied. No, it's in there. It's in there. Okay, perfect. So you should now be able to log in without entering a password. So great. Can you show me now how to log in on a terminal and then set up this here? And a user called that I usually say SU Moondive to log in with. I just want everything to be the same as the other one, so I have easy, setup. So I am using that SSH. Thank you very much, dude. Hostname should be the DNS or IP. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Look at the chat. I'm here. I'm here. The SSH config file is the way. Yes. I don't know. I forgot to tag Moondev in my post. So who won the giveaway? Two people won the giveaway. I don't know who they are, but I sent it last night, 10,000 each, or yesterday on stream. I was still here. Let's go ahead here. If you check my replies on Twitter, and you'll be able to see who won it. Two people. Log into your server. Okay, SSH prediction bots. You're now en route. Okay, perfect. CD. I want a CD into. Actually, I don't know where I want a CD into. SSH. I want to SSH. Yeah, yeah, SSH. Okay, we in there. We in there like swimwear. Okay, you should be able to now log in. Add user as Moondev. Add user. Okay. Okay. Give him mod privileges, pseudo privileges. Okay. And she's working on my bot over there. Password. Same password. Yes. Okay, so SU Moondev, I believe. In there. Beautiful. Big soul, baby. Okay, now what? Now copy your SSH to the Moondev user. Oh, I gotta give him I accidentally okay, so switch to Moondev. Um can you re-instruct me from the start of step 3? Because what I did is I accidentally logged in before I gave it the admin rights or the pseudo rights. So essentially I need you to go reteach me everything, assuming that I've already made the su-moondev and I've already logged into the Moondev. I'm in the SSH and I'm in the Moondev profile. So I pretty much need to deactivate that profile, add the sudo, and then everything after step 3. So go ahead and just teach me again. Thank you. Don't show any more IP addresses from here on out. No mas, please. Thank you. Shout out to you. Yo, I gave um the 777. I love that function. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. Okay, step 1, exit. That's what I have to type. Okay, that's good to know. Exit. I actually should have known that. Okay, logged out. And now we're gonna go say, perfect. You should now see that. Okay, give it sudo. I want to give it sudo. You can see here, I'm over here working with her, but she was showing stuff that I didn't want her to show. Sudo. Okay, we're gonna go to user. Actually, I should probably, let's see. I'm gonna keep it over here for now. Okay, so you should see that. Okay, copy SSH. Make sure the SSH is in there. What else? CP. Okay. Chown. I got a chown. I got to chown him. I got Chamad. Chamad like Chamad. Authorized keys. Okay, Chamad again. Joel, what's up, dude? How are you? SU Moondive. Hey, I'm using Cloud Code right now. You should see Moondive at host name. Perfect. Sudo update. Okay. And then sudo apt update. Okay. The password in. Sweep was 15 minutes ago, so that market is definitely active. The issue is that multi-outcome markets aren't showing up on the standard markets endpoint. That's right. I found the core issue. Let me check how the sweeper dashboard gets the market from the WebSockies. And then I want to go ahead and also pull up the actual server here and see if I can connect to host prediction bots. Okay. Connecting to host. Okay. Open folder. Let's say, okay, that's fine. And then what I want to do here is I actually want to pull in this website I have. So if we go to dashboard, digital dash, no, not dash, but don't delete files. Don't delete, please. Prediction bot website here. Add a copy folder. Okay, there it is. Prediction bot website. Beautiful. Now it's in there. So I think that's all I needed to do. And now that's in there. Okay, what's going on, Moondev? I found the root cause. The sweeper doesn't store the token ID from the WebSocket payload. For multi-outcome markets like Nobel Peace Prize, Fed rate decisions, the parent slug won't even individual. Okay, the sweeper gets what data from WebSocket that includes the token ID, but we're not saving it to the CSV. Without the token ID, we can't get this. Two options to fix it. Update the sweeper to save the token IDs. Requires changes to the sweeper dashboard. Option two, how the no markets bot skip markets they can't find. What about just building the whole sweeper functionality into this and then just looking for the no markets ourselves? So we'll duplicate what we learned from the sweeper and then do it here and then just watch the no markets. Because I know we have to set it up specifically for these multi-markets, and that's very important. Okay, so that's slick. Okay, let's go ahead and keep it going. So I'm in the server now, which is beautiful. What else do I need to do? Create the project. Okay. Should be in. So, how do I do this? Moondev dash. Okay, I don't need to do any of that right now. Install Python. Pip install upgrade pip. Okay. Can you show me how to install Claude Code? I think we need npm first though. Oh, we never said pip install py source activate. Okay, I need to do this. CD. Okay. Let's say ls first. ls cd cd home. Copy path. So this is my path here, and I accidentally put it in the root, but I don't know if that's fine or not. If I need to move it, I can do it, but essentially direct me from here, and you can see the errors I'm getting with the pip install. And then I need you to direct me on how to set up npm so I can download Claude Code as well. Perfect. I created the new WebSocket no base. Okay, beautiful. Brilliant idea. It's way cleaner. We'll build the WebSocket listener directly into the no market bot so we can get the token ID by ourselves. Okay, let's get it, dude. Dun, 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 dun. Brilliant idea, dude. Glazer. Okay, so let's go ahead here and finish this part up. Yeah. So who am I? SU Moondav. Okay, I'm in there. Should be verify you're in the right place. PWD. Okay, I'm in there. Should be there. Okay, make dir. Okay, make dir prediction bot website. Prediction bots. Okay. And then let's CD into prediction bots. Okay. Okay, we in there. Now let's go ahead and Python 3 it. Python 3 VNVE was not created successfully. All right, please re-instruct me with this new information you have here. Thank you. Okay, she's building the prediction bot out here. I think prediction markets are interesting. Nobel Peace Prize winner. Who, if Donald Trump wins that, that is embarrassing. Okay, so don't want to be embarrassed. Sudo apt install. Okay. Let's sudo apt install that. Okay. Do I want to continue? Absolutely. Create new VNV. Okay. Beautiful VNV here. Setting up a server right now. Probably should have just pivoted over there, but I wanted to keep that other server running. I want to have 3 servers, so you never know where I'm at. You can't follow me, dude. I'm in this world. Install your pip install requirements.txt. Okay. So I named it prediction bots instead. I forgot to, we never copied over that folder, by the way. The folder that I linked you to, and I'll link you to again, has the whole website already set up. So maybe we need to copy it and change it to this name or something. That was my bad that I changed the name like that. But go ahead and instruct me from here. We still need to set up the cloud code and the npm, etc. So here's the actual path to all this stuff. Okay, and then here it says it's done. Moondev, I built the WebSocket no market bot. It's ready to go. Here's what it do. Connects to live WebSocket feed. Okay, filters for no markets. Okay, sweeps with 2K. Okay, the bot is saved as no market bot. Okay, listens to WebSocket no markets. Okay, so let's go ahead here and just say this, dude. What is this one called? Just call it the no market bot. I want you to just make sure there's only one file. So just call it the no market bot. Drop the WebSocket stuff and delete the other file. We don't want that other one now. Thank you. Okay, we're almost there, dude. We're almost there. This is fire. Okay, deactivate. So deactivate. Okay. And then CD curly Q. Okay. And then RF prediction bots. And then exit. And then copy the entire folder here. CPR. Sick, dude. I'm learning so much. Now I'm in a chow town. I'm a chow town like I never chown before, dude. We got a chow town. And then I'm gonna say SU Moondog. Okay. And then I'm gonna CD up into that B. Okay, CD prediction bots. Let's get it. LSLA. You should see your project files now. Facts, fam. Facts. Okay, so let's go ahead and Python 3 M VN. Source activated. Okay. Source activated. Okay. Come on. Source activated. Okay. Now we're gonna install pip install upgrade, whatever. Okay, it's already in there. Okay, pip install all requirements.txt. Yes, let's get it. B. Okay, now let's install node.js. There isn't a pip install all requirements.txt. Bam, bam. Sorry, Chad. They ain't winning them. Okay, so we're all set up now. No VM guess. Okay. Node verify. Okay. Sudo install Claude code. Sudo's not found. I got stuck here, B. I got stuck here, B. Okay, looks like she cleaned that up. Now it's the no market bot. So we've already built one bot today. Wow. Not quite done yet. So WebSocket connected, subscribing to live trades. Okay. So let's parallel process this. So we're always watching the WebSocket in one thread. How's that sound? Does that make sense, or would it be better? I think it would be better always be watching that WebSocket, right? And then based off of that, then we'll be able to bring in any new trades. Let's change that sweep size to be 200 instead of 2000 for now, so we can get some action. Okay, let's get some action then. Okay, let's go ahead and get this set up. Sudo apt install npm y. Yes. YNCMB node version. Okay, now let's end sudo npm install. And then we're gonna have Claude up in there for sure. I'm on Ubuntu today. What you on? What you on today? I'm on Ubuntu. Seriously embarrassing. How did the scalping bot go? LOL MPX. Claude is generous, not Chama. This is Chama, dude. I'm Chama. I'm a Chama man. I'm a Chama man. How did the scalping bot go? Which one? What you mean? Which one? Which one? Scalping. Scalping? Scalping? Scalping the cash out the hand trader's pockets, you mean? Oh, they put a trade down because they think it's 9:30. It's time to trade. Okay, let me take it from you. Thank you. Okay, and also we've got this agent running down here, and this is live in the GitHub, matter of fact. Oh yeah, this is sick. So we can see the 24-hour volume change on Zcash is up 78%. Let's see what the AI consensus said about the volumes. So you can see Open Router GLM says Zcash. Open Router GPT-5 Mini says Zcash. XAI says Zcash. Claude says Zcash. Quen says Zcash. And then DeepSeek says Trump. F that guy. The overwhelming consensus identifies Zcash is a preferred choice with 5 out of 6 models, saying absolute volume and sustained acceleration across 4 hours and 24-hour time frames. Okay, so I'm looking at the volume changes over 24 hours because I think that tells a very big story. If you see the volume, guess what? If you see the volume, then you can be ahead of the traders. The one from yesterday's video, damn, I don't know, dude. I don't remember building a scalping bot yesterday. I built an arbitrage bot that didn't get very many trades. It got a couple that were not profitable. Maybe that's what you're talking about. The one where I was on chain Solana and Kraken. It did get a couple trades triggered. I don't know if that's the one you're talking about. It's right here. It's still running. But I tightened it up because you can see there's no trades now. This might be what you're talking about. It was buying on Solana on chain, selling on Kraken, and it got a couple trades that were super close to being profitable arbitrage, but the math just there was slippage on one side, so the math wasn't mathing. So I increased it 1%. Okay, cool. Yeah, I increased it 1%, and now it hasn't gotten a trade since that increase, but it wasn't profitable with the other math. So we'll see how it does in the next day or two. I don't expect it to get a lot of trades. I think it's interesting though. Much love to you. I'm glad you're locked in 2 days in a row. That really makes me happy, dude. Alex, thank you for coming through. I will never forget you, dude. Alex JP. Alex from Japan. Okay, so let's go ahead and say Claude version, see if this works, dude. I think it should. Claude not found. I need to install it, dude. You got to install it before Claude can be found, dude. Come on. Lock in, dude. Lock in, bro. What the hell? So overwhelmingly, it said Zcash on all of the AIs. I got the AI swarm here, and this AI swarm, along with a Polymarket agent, by the way, is in the GitHub. The GitHub is free. So if you're live here right now, guess what? Go to Moondev AI agents. Just type in AI agents Moondev on Google. What the hell does this mean? Failure? Volume agent added? What the heck does that mean? I don't know, but go here, go ahead and star it to get the code to that volume agent that you see below. Hopefully, it said failed though. I'll have to look into that. I've never seen that up there before. Anyways, you go down here and you can see the volume agent is here. Volume agent, and that's what I just showed you here. It's tracking the volume. It's 100% free on GitHub. So get that while it is free. It's free. It's free. It's free. Free AI agents, Moondive. Go ahead and hit the star and go ahead and hit fork in order to get the code. Let's get it. Okay, so let's say Claude version. I think it's in there. Okay, so now, all right, sweet. I got it installed. So now what I want you to do is pretend that I'm brand new on my computer and I want to log into that new SSH. No passwords, nothing needed, and then log into Claude. So walk me through that process. Should be super easy. I think I just say SSH prediction bots. Let's see if I can do it on my own. SSH prediction bots. Nah. Oh, I spelled it wrong. SSH prediction bots. In there. Okay, and then say SU Moondev. Nah, I need more. I need help. SSH prediction bot, SU Moondev, CD to that path. Okay, that's what I needed. And I needed the source activated because I'm a Conda guy. I don't know about you, dude, but I'm a Conda guy. Okay, let me copy all this down too, so I have it for a reference, you know? So I set up a whole server already. I set up a bot already. Let's get it, dude. That's how we start our mornings, right? Yes. Okay. Perfect. Parallel process. Let's get it, dude. Skipping. Okay. Consensus. Bitcoin. Okay. That's good. Let's go ahead here. Let's kill this if we can. Kill it if you can. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can, fam. Let's go. How do you kill this shit? How do you kill this, bro? Do I have to kill it like this? Terminate that beta. Okay, let's go ahead and try it again. Copy path, conda activate T-flow, bro. Then we're gonna say Python run it. Okay, here we go. So we got the background connected to WebSocket. Let's see how it do. We've already built this here today live. All right, on YouTube. Wow. And I was saying before, you have a lot of these pieces here, dude. You got a lot of these pieces. I do want to ask about this. Housecoin, AI agents for trading. This is it. Okay. Moondev added volume. So yesterday I pushed this to GitHub and I got this error, but here's my logs of the push. So I just see the error on GitHub. I didn't get an error when I pushed it, but is there anything I need to change or do I just need to re-add it? Or yeah, walk me through that process. Don't show any private information. Thanks. So this was the push yesterday, but it said it failed. I don't know what that means because I'm just a newbie, Tubi. Okay, so CD, and then we got a source activate. Source activate. Okay, we're in there. Claude auth login. Oh, I gotta log into Claude still. Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. I gotta log in. I haven't logged in yet. Dark mode, of course. Claude with a subscription, yes. Opening browser, non-financial advice. Claude auth, okay. Rate exceeded, what the hell? What's that even mean? What do you mean rate exceeded? They don't let you connect to too many. What? Huh? No, no more server for me. Moondive done. 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 Paste this code. Copy code. Okay. Pasted. Am I in there yet? I'm in there. Okay, we back. Did you read that though? Okay. All right, we in there. Press enter to continue. Okay. Press enter to continue. Okay. Yes, I accept whatever you have to say to me. Let's get it. Okay, we're in there now. Okay, so let me go ahead here and say what I wanted to say. And I don't really remember what I wanted to say. Now I do know what I want to say. I just don't know how to go after this. This the dash? Moondev dashboard? What is this? Customer success? Can you create me a full TXT file that explains and has all the code just written out there for all of the Polymarket tab only? I only want the Polymarket tab. I don't want to confuse this other AI I'm going to send it to. I want you to make this TXT file that shows all the code needed to recreate that Polymarket tab, all of it, and understand it, how to build it. Okay. Thank you. And then just put that TXT file in the GitHub, and then I'll go ahead and bring it to my other AI. Essentially, only the Polymarket tab. So essentially, I'm taking that piece of the website and I'm building it into something else. Okay. So I need you to walk me through that process and walk the AI specifically and give all of the codes, all the files, the design, etc., all in one TXT. I can just feed her. Okay. You work on that. Thank you. Okay. So sweet. I'm in the prediction box here. Wait. Polymarket extraction. This isn't it. Damn. That wasn't it. This is it. Okay, so please look at the prediction bot website here and get that live on the local host, and then walk me through how to set this up on Cloudflare and what you need me to set up on Cloudflare for you to then go ahead and set up the Nginx. So I know I gotta change like records on Cloudflare for the CNAME. Here's the website address. Predictionbots.com. Okay, she's working on that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if she's got it right. I'll create a comprehensive TXT file documenting the entire Polymarket tab. Let's get it. So SSH prediction bots. Okay, that's what we needed. Window AI agents for trading. Good job. This is algos. Close that for now. Let's save a little space on the computer. Okay, what is this? This is cross exchange. Okay, that's nice. I need that. SSH Moon Dash. Here we go. So she should make that TXT file for me here soon. Let's go ahead and see what she says. First thing, let me set up the site locally. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Life is beautiful. Another day, another dollar. Another chance to change the world. Let's get it, dude. Why not? We can do anything. Okay, so I need to go to Cloudflare, I believe. Yes. Cloudflare. Damn. Whoever got me on Cloudflare, I know exactly who you are, Jane. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for getting me on Cloudflare. I use it not every day. Well, I guess technically. Okay, so you can see here, Cloudflare local guide. Excellent. Your prediction bot is running on this local website. That's fire. Cloudflare setup. Okay. First, I need to know your server's public address. Okay. So let's go to prediction bots here and a record I need to set up. So DNS here, a record. I just need to change that a record here to my new IP address. He be switching IPs on him. He's an IP switcher. He's an IP switcher, dude. Okay, let's run it, save. And then a www needs to server IP. Okay, a at, okay. So I didn't have another A1. Okay, a www dot, okay, save, boom. Okay, we're in there. In Cloudflare, go to the SSL, set SSL encryption to flexible. This is the easiest option. So SSL here, certificates here. Okay, add certificates. Okay, I already did that. Security. Additional Cloudflare settings recommended. Set security medium or high. Security tab. What I need to do from Nginx, your server, once you complete. Okay, so here's my IP. This is my IP address. This is my user that I'm building on. And then here's my password for that user. You should have everything you need in order to get this website live now. I've already confirmed everything is set up on Cloudflare. So go ahead and step on the gas, B. Don't stop until it's done. And let me know when that website is live. And then just send me back the website link address. And then we don't have to talk about the IP address ever again, as I am on stream. Thank you. So what's up with you, fam? How you doing? You doing good? Me too. Thank you. Okay, it looks like she said everything we needed. She said location is here. It's 43,000 characters. Okay. All complete files. Beautiful. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. I love AI, bro. I can go so fast now. He can go so fast now. It's amazing. Polymarket tab documentation. Let's go ahead and say, should I copy this? Okay, let's go ahead and download it and then just upload it to the other server, prediction bot website. Prediction bot website. Okay, prediction bot website. Prediction bot website. Okay, prediction bot website. I downloaded it, I think. Let's go ahead and see if I can get it uploaded quickly and easily. I don't know. I want it to be quick and easy. I like things that are quick and easy, but I also like hard things. Because if it's hard, that means others aren't going to do it. I wake up every single day, people saying, oh, if it was so good, then he wouldn't share it. Or if it's so good, everybody would do it. You're right, fam. Don't do it. Run away. It's too hard for you. This game is not easy. You think it's gonna be easy to chase this man making $31 billion? Okay. You think that's easy? Please, please show me the way. Because this is hard. It's a hard game. Probably not good for you. Unless you're a data dog. If you're a data dog, okay, let's get it. But if not, then I can't help you. Okay, prediction market tab here. Let's say copy path. Okay, let's go back to prediction bots here. Nice. It's live. It says predictionbots.com. We're live. There's only 5 spots available, by the way. So if you do want to join, this is exclusive beta. This is a beta. I'm not launching this for real, dude. I'm not launching this for real yet. So Moondaz prediction bots, secure your spot now. If you want it, join Moondaz Elite Traders. Secure your spot. Okay, it looks like we got some things to work on though. So it looks like the website doesn't actually go to the Stripe link anymore. Can you make sure that it does when I click the button and change the buttons to both to secure your spot now? So AI powered predictions, lightning fast execution, real time analytics. There's got to be a different website here. Let's see what local host is looking like. Local 3000. I think it was 800, 8000. I need your Stripe payment link first. Okay. All right. So we'll get back to that later, but I want you to make those 3. I want to update the website. Essentially, this should be. Let's remove the top bar of the beta launch stuff. Just hide it for now. So I had a better website. Is there a better web? Is there another version? Let's ask that. Is there another version of the homepage you can find on the in the docs? I feel like there was one that showed the 3 bots that we will be building in the prediction bot course. I thought there was at least. That's cool how quick I got that up. Well, actually, I have no idea how long that took. No worries. If you can't find them anywhere, we'll just update it ourselves. Okay. Also, send me like a full link to where the thank you page is, where all the video hosting is. Okay, there it is. Let's see if this works. Okay, there we go. All right, so now you know the thank you page. You can see what's on that thank you page, right? So you know what's in the actual course. So I want you to update the website to represent that a little bit better. You know, the 6 blocks right now are kind of random, but I want them to be precise of what they're actually going to get here when they join. And then here is the actual Stripe link. So don't show confirmation here. Paste that in. Make sure that works. Do work. Beautiful. Create link. Copy URL. Copy link here. And be transparent. Well, whatever. Be transparent. Nah, never mind. Don't be transparent. I was gonna say put the price there, but it doesn't matter because you can just click the button. You don't have to put your email in. So all those pussies that ask me like, "What's the price of your boot camp?" It's just gonna go to the Stripe link and you can see it, dude. No offense. No offense to you, bro. If that's you that hates the thing. Is that a MacBook? Yeah, I use a MacBook. I don't see replies on X. Um, you don't see my replies on X. What do you mean? Oh, about the giveaway yesterday? Okay, let's see if I can find my who I gave this to. Replies here. Hope there's no embarrassing ones. Polymarket trading bots, UI equals useless interface. Okay. Thank you for your participation. You won half and someone else won the other half. 10K house coin coming to you soon. So this guy right here, that was winner number 1. I did 2 winners yesterday because there was like 5 people who joined. 10K house. And this a-hole went and sold the house coin. So I'm never giving away house coin again because that's a one house equals one house coin. And if you're around me and I give you 10,000 houses and you just go sell it, you're actually dead to me. Oh, you're actually dead to me. It's been updated. Okay, let's go ahead and see it, dude. Let's see the update. Okay, 8 video course series, 3 complete trading bots. Okay. Okay, wonderful. And on the 3 complete trading bots, let's make sure that we emphasize that these are examples, not plug and play. You'll still have to bring your own ideas, but these will walk you through step by step how to build the bots. And then direct support will be through Discord. And then let's make it very clear. The end goal here is to take you from a hand trader on Polymarket. Maybe you'll put this under the block below or add some more information to the page. The whole goal is to hold your hand step by step through the process of taking you from gambling on Polymarket to being a precise automated trader on Polymarket. It's 8 videos already? Damn. Video 8, yeah. Foundation and set. Okay. Okay, 6. So this is getting clean, bro. This is getting clean. Is it open? Does it work? Is it open? Because there's only 5 spots. In this course, you will learn step by step how to build prediction box for Polymarket. I will show you all the core components needed to build any bot and step by step 3 bots so you can see how to build anything. You will learn how to build spread bot, a copy bot, and a mean reversion bot by the end of this course. Okay, so if you want that also make sure both of those call to action buttons, they open into a new tab. Thank you. From gambler to automated trader. This course takes you by the hand, step by step. And then also at the very bottom, let's have some sort of nice image and 100% 90-day money back guarantee. We have an ironclad 90-day money back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk. There's more risk in you continuing to gamble on Polymarket by hand than there is of the bootcamp. If you have for any reasons, we do not ask any questions. You have 90 full days to get your money back 100%. So make this a new section underneath the From Gambler to Automated Trader. And then after that section, we can have another button to go to checkout. Also, at the top bar, can you make that a little bit smaller? It's taking about a fourth of the page up right now. If you can make it smaller, maybe we just need 2 lines of text. We don't need these third join the exclusive beta launch. We can just have the first 2 lines and maybe make it a little bit smaller as well, so it takes up less room. Okay, and then I got something special here. Also, that top bar where it says 05 to join should also open up to a new page for the Stripe link. And then after you've done that, what I want you to do is I have this Polymarket tab documentation. I'll link you to it right now. It is from my other website that has a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dashboard of Polymarket data. What I want you to do here is underneath the From Gambler to Automated Trader section, or maybe at the bottom of the page. Yeah, before the bottom of the page, let's have that dashboard be 100% free so people can use it. So it's explained all in the text document, but I want you to recreate a dashboard. So this will not only be a landing page that will explain the course, but it will be a useful tool because this is predictionbots.com. So in the same page, we'll have that useful table of data that people can sort through, go to all the different tabs, and really get a lot of use out of this website. And it's 100% free. So you can go ahead and put that little table section underneath that guarantee. And then maybe one more section below that explaining the benefits of joining the bootcamp. Like now you have all of this data. You see the power of computers trading on Polymarket, surfacing new ideas. What if you had a bot that could trade those ideas for you? And then we'll have one final big button says join course now, and then open up to that Stripe link. Okay, here's the description of how to run this. You'll probably need a backend. We'll probably need a backend server set up to watch all of the data that comes in, etc. No way, dude. I didn't record any of that. Okay, so now what I want to do is I have this file that I'll send you to. It's essentially you want to recreate this dashboard I have, but you want to put it under the guarantee. So not only is this going to be a website that shows the benefits of joining the course, but if they scroll down enough, they'll have the full dashboard. And it'll say, look at what bots can do on Polymarket. And then it will be this dashboard that they can scroll through. They can go to all those tabs we have. We'll probably have to set up our own server to have the WebSockets pull in all that data. And then they can really get some use out of this free website, as it is called predictionbots.com. So we might as well have this amazing free tool that anybody can use on predictionbots.com. And then below that, we can have one last segment that says, okay, now you see the power of bots for Polymarket. Why wouldn't you learn how to automate the trades? Bots don't need to sleep, they don't need to eat, they'll never miss a trade. You can learn everything in this short Polymarket course. Everything is explained above, and then we'll have one new button that says join now, and it'll go to that Stripe link. Okay, here's the file path for the description from my other dashboard that I've already built. I've already built this somewhere else, so I want you to pretty much integrate it into this landing page to make it the best landing page in the world, because it's not just a landing page anymore. It's a legit data source on predictionbots.com, the sickest place for prediction bots in the world. Oh, he comes back every day with heat. Oh, you think he has heat today? Okay, wait for tomorrow. Wait for tomorrow, dude. This is a free resource. Everybody can use it. Everybody in the world. It's free, dude. Come on, step on the gas with me. I'm here every day. I'm locked. Let's get it, dog. Automate your trading so you can remove all emotions and all in-game decisions. I totally up and down and trying to kind of guess which way the charts are going to go, and you make some money, you lose some money. But the things that really hurt when you're in a trade for so long, you just keep staring at it and you're watching it go against you, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna stay up a little bit longer, stay up a little bit longer, and then you get liquidated because you're using too much leverage. You're a human being. It's not your fault at all, dude. We're built to be beautiful human beings with emotions. And if you've ever gotten in a fight with a friend or a spouse or whatever, you know that when your emotions hit, you cannot think clearly. So why do we trade by hand when we're using, our life savings to trade? And we know for a fact when emotions hit, you cannot think logically. And that's directly from a Stanford professor. So I went ahead and I started to show my whole algo trading process step by step live on YouTube every single day. And what came from that is I got really good at algo trading, even though I did not know how to code when I first got started. So everybody was like, Moondev, please build a boot camp or some way to teach this in short, concise videos, because your lives, they're awesome, but you're in the middle of a project every single day. And I apologize for that. But in order for me to chase this guy who ran up a net worth of $31 billion, his name is Jim Simons. And in order for me to keep chasing him, I can't just sit here and make all of my YouTube lives teaching segment, right? So what I did is I put everything into a boot camp with short, concise videos that show you step by step how to automate your trading. Even if you don't know how to code, you can remove all of your emotions and automate your trading. So for the rest of your life, anytime you have a trading idea, I'll show you how to backtest it and see, does it work in the past? If it works in the past, well, it's much more likely to work in the future. And then if it works in the past, you can build it into a small bot. I show you how to build a bot. I show you how to code. I show you how to backtest. I show you how to use AI. All right, we're back, dude. I think I have something cooking over here. Okay, so we got some things here. Let's see if there's any errors. No market sweep detected. Calculated bid is below the minimum. I'm curious why it says no market sweep detected. So I'm curious why it said no market sweep detected on these when it showed the actual sweep. Maybe it's a wording thing. I don't know. Can you provide the path? Are you sure it doesn't exist? The hell? Prediction bot website. Yeah, but I'm certain it exists. Oh, maybe it's moved. Maybe it's moved somewhere, but it's called Polymarket tab documentation, so I'm sure you can find it. Oh, sweep on no side. Okay, I see. So I also noticed that most of the games skip because the no price is super high. So okay, okay, I see what's going on. No market. Yeah, I need a better way to kill this, bro. Is there a better way to kill this? I hit Command C and I have a really hard time canceling it. I can't find the prediction. Okay, okay, that's fine. Copy and paste the content. I will. Here's all the content. Above is all the content. Please make it into a TXT and then let's go ahead and implement everything that is said here. Remember, I want it all on the same main page here, and I want it to be like an interactive landing page. So, like I said, predictionbots.com is the absolute best source for prediction markets, 100% free for anybody to use. And ideally, they later go ahead and automate their trading, but they don't have to. They're silly if they're not gonna, but whatever. I can't complain. I can't complain. Do you, dude? Trade against me. So I barely have any technical experience, no Python, algo pass. Would the prediction course help me build something though? It would teach you. If you've never done this before though, I would go ahead and join the bootcamp. Go to algotradecamp.com or the link in the description and then join the prediction bot course. If you go to algotradecamp.com, you can join the prediction bot course through here as well. But you also get the boot camp. It's just a little more expensive. You got to pay $69 for the boot camp and then the 149 for the prediction bot course. But this boot camp will show you step by step how to automate your trading. So you'll actually understand everything in the prediction bot course. I'd say the prediction bot course is a little advanced. That's all. But you got this, bro. Let's get it. What's up, Akash? Peace, Anna. Good to see you. Advanced AI trading algorithms for crypto markets. Don't know what this is. Join the exclusive beta launch of the revolutionary prediction bot system, and our AI powered algorithms analyze market patterns and execute trades with unprecedented accuracy. We got to update that, but this is a massive project. It's not massive, dude. Not massive. You can just go ahead and do it right now. It explains everything there. We don't want a subdomain. We want it inside of the actual on the actual page as a section on the page. Not a massive project. You have everything explained there. You'll have to have a back end, etc. That's fine. But let's go ahead and just duplicate what we have there. Thank you. She's playing. She said this is a massive project. It's going to take 8 to 12 hours to do. Yeah, right. Let's get it done in 1 minute. You have 1 minute. Not massive, I said. 100% ironclad 90-day money back guarantee. There is absolutely no risk in joining this course. In fact, there's more risk in you continuing to gamble on Polymarket by hand than there is in this boot camp. You have 90 full days to go through the entire course, build your bots, and see results. If for any reason you're not satisfied, we don't ask questions. You get your 100% of your money back. You got it. Let's build this out right now, starting with the backend infrastructure, then integrating the dashboard. Okay. Oh, it's creating the SQL. Maybe that's why she said this is going to take a while. But go ahead and do whatever needs to be done to get it done. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it every day. Let's get it every day. Come on. Come on, Akash. Let's go. Let's go, VP. VP, let's go. All right, dude. You only have 5. There's only 5 spots available here today. Mundaz prediction bots. Mundaz prediction bots. 5 spots available if you want to. And you're here live. So if you want to learn these prediction bots, jump in while you can. If not, then it's all good, bro, because I'm going to be twerking all day. Let's get it. Okay, so you can see perfect. I fixed it. Now the control will stop immediately. Thank you. Let's go ahead and kill this because I don't know how to kill it any other way because the other way didn't work with me, dog. Contact activate C-flow. There's no other way because the other way didn't work, dog. Let's get it. All right, let's say Python, run that new bot. Nunu, what's the name though? NoMarket.py. Okay. Copy path, Python course. Run it. No market bot. Okay. So it's listening for no markets here. This is a bot for Polymarket here. So we're going to be watching it all day, my dear. All day. You got the prediction bot. You got five spots here. Calculate bid. Okay. It's under the 0.01. Let me see that idea. Okay. So it says, will Green Bay Packers win? Okay. Let's go to the Green Bay Packers. Okay. It says buy yes, buy no. Buy no for... That's the thing, dude. That don't make no sense. Okay, so you can see this don't make any sense, bro. So this is debuggy time. Straight up, first one doesn't make any sense with the Packers. You can see the screenshot. It says it's 94 cents. Okay, so guess what? Was 20% lower than 94 cents. That should work, dog. The side says buy, which is wrong. Remember, the sides are yes or the sides are no. I knew this was looking suspicious when they were all showing that, so now you got it. Okay, let's fix it. Let's go ahead and kill this before it does something crazy. Sweep on no side, okay. We can't calculate the price. Okay, see, she's tweaking. Okay, so beautiful, 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 beautiful. I use Claude Max, yep. 777, Jimmy, good to see you. Good to see you, good to see you. Jimmy's back. Bash, okay, let's go ahead and bash then. So she's working for us right now. Let me get some jumps in because now I got 2 AIs going. And I had a lot to eat last night. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you, dude. I binged a little bit last night, so let me get a second workout in. I already went to the gym. That's okay. Get some jump rope in while the AIs are working. I went crazy on them last night. I had a pizza and Krispies. Pizza and Krispies, that will kill me. That'll kill me quick. Come on, lock in, Moon. Lock in. That was the last one for the year, though. For 1 year, not the year. For 1 year. Oh, yeah. We locking in for 2025. Okay, actually, wait, Moondev. If we flip the. What the? Okay, I love AI, dude. I love being able to sit here all day and just come up with the most craziest ideas and then build them, dude. Love this game. So grateful to play. Okay, so you can see she's working on the new update here, which is fire, dude. Which is fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire. Okay, perfect. It gets the bot ID. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Now calculate. Okay. So what do you change? You get the ID from the sweep. Okay. Check the order bid. If bid is under the yes, no. If bid is under 50 cents, looks like yes token. No. What do you mean it looks like? Oh, looks up. Okay. I just can't read sometimes, bro. I be making my own things in my head. Okay, so let's see how this bot does. This is a prediction bot, prediction market bot for Polymarket specifically. And yeah, if you want to learn all this stuff, there's only 5 spaces available here. If you want in, you can turn from gambler to automated trader, and there's a 90-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. I show you 3 complete bot setups. I give you examples, all the code, 8 video course series, so you can just jam through it all the next day or 2, maybe 3. Complete source code is there. Polymarket API setup. I'll show you everything. Private key management, automated order execution, essential functions. And you got Discord support, dude. Join me. Join others. There's 100% money back guarantee. If you're trading on Polymarket, you crazy. If you're doing it all alone. Side, okay. Order book. So side. Sweep, okay. I don't know what you mean by this, dude. Looks up the market using slug. Yeah, what do you mean? If bid is under 50 cents, it looks like yes. We should know exactly if it's a yes or a no. You can see here's the output so far. Okay, let's give her that, but also let's go ahead and look at this. You can see this is the link. It says sweep side is sell. What the hell? Sweep money line. Sweep. Super weird that the side says sell. We should be seeing if it's a no. We're only looking at no markets, remember? So the market should say yes or no. There's going to be a lot of markets with like other types of answers. We're going to skip all those. I only want the markets that say are the outcomes are yes or no, and then we're bidding on no. 20% below. We don't need to print all that information if the market side is not yes or no. Let's get it, bro. Okay, looks like she's good. So backend setup, WebSocket connect to Polymarket live feed. WebSocket listens for all Polymarket trades. Okay. So one background task is running now. Beautiful. Now let's go to the new website. Backend not running. The helly? What the helly? Now you see the power of prediction bots. Bots don't need to sleep. Bots don't need to eat. Bots never miss a trade. They work 24/7, analyzing markets and executing strategies while you focus on what matters. The dashboard above is just the beginning. In this course, you'll learn how to build your own automated trading systems that capture opportunities the moment they appear. Everything you need is explained above. The choice is yours. Okay, live Polymarket dashboard. Nice, dude. Slick. No markets. Beautiful, beautiful. This is nice. This is good, dude. I like it. Okay, so you can see here there's a problem though. Backend not running. What are you talking about? Silly. Hey, I know I can't put images in you, so okay, great job. Really great job with the design. It looks nice. Okay. So now anybody in the world can have this data. Fire. Predictionbots.com. That's all they had to go to, and they got all this data. But you can see it says backend not running, so it's not actually populating the data yet. So go ahead and update it however you need to. Thank you. And then make sure that we are saving this data on the backend. So we don't like now. So right now, it started today. We're collecting the data and we're able to show the data. And then everybody else is going to be able to see that data because I've started the backend starting now, right? So we're collecting all that data and we're going to be able to have all the sweeps and the no markets and the edge markets, etc., all there. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so perfect. Only binary, yes or no. We built the bot. Now we built the bot. Okay, skip multi outcomes. Beautiful. It uses the correct node token. Okay. The output will be much cleaner. Let's go ahead and see if it's cleaner. We got to get it cleaner and cleaner. I'm locking in. I'm getting meaner and meaner. I don't give a fuck what you think about me, dude. I'm stepping on the gas every day. Don't listen to nobody. I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening to my family. I'm not listening to nobody because nobody is me. I am me. I know exactly what's in my mind's eye. If you don't know what's in your mind's eye, please close your eyes 20 minutes a day. That's all you need. Maybe put your legs up if you're tired. Go ahead and put your legs on the wall. Close your eyes for 20 minutes a day and think about what you really want. If you think about it, eventually you're going to be about it. And if you're not going to be about it, you a hoe. Let's get it, bro. Skipping sports or crypto? Okay. Ooh, that's funky, bro. That gets me going. It's a little jazz. Oh, yeah, a little sax. Okay, I see you, dog. Let's get it. Lock in with me every day. Live Polymarket dashboard. Da, 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 da. Okay, I actually want to update this. Okay, let's remove that whole advanced AI algorithms part under Moondev's prediction bots, and let's put the dashboard in between that header there and the secure your spot now. So we'll remove that wordy part, and then we'll still have all of the course explaining stuff below. I don't know. Let's just fix this for now. I think that's right. That's right. Because I want it to be about this free data, dude. I don't care if you join the boot camp, the course, whatever. You can if you want. I'll show you everything I know. Do I know everything? No, bro. But I ain't stopping till I do. Okay, dude. Sweep at that. Okay, side is sell. See, there's an error here, bro. See, there's some sort of error. Okay, let's go ahead and tell her about it. All right, so now we can identify the error. So I think the side says sell still, and that makes it tricky, right? The side should say yes or no. Or maybe it's side, it's selling the no. I don't know what it's doing here realistically, but what I do know is that it says at 87 cents. So, the current no bid, it says it's coming back at a penny every single time for some reason, and that's what's the error. But you can see on the screenshot here, it's not actually coming back as a penny, bro. So let's go ahead and open one of these up specifically. Okay, Meteor Strike, Meteora. Okay, you can see here, I could say no here for 90 cents. And then I could say buy no for limit. Trade no. This is a good example where I could trade no for 20% less, but it for some reason it's showing a penny back every time. So I think we have something going wrong there. Please fix it. Let's see if this works now. I don't need it way down there. That's 2-4. No sweeps match your filters. Last updated at 9:56. Say refresh. Let's lower the sweep amount to be $100 and make sure that this refreshes in the background, but make sure it's not glitchy so it doesn't like glitch out and show the new refresh. And also if I'm hovering over the actual data table, then it won't refresh during that time. It'll show a small little pause, maybe on the same row with the buttons of the sweep no markets edge. It'll just say pause. Dun dun dun. Perfect. I fixed it. The issue is we're looking at bids, what someone will pay us for no. Now we're looking at us. We have to pay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I believe you. I believe you, but I ain't gonna trust you. I believe you now, but I ain't gonna trust you, dude. No way. No way. You think I'm gonna trust you, bro? No way. I ain't trusting you with my life. No way, dude. I'm stepping on the gas. I'm gonna make it right for myself. I'm gonna show you everything along the way. So I do believe code is a great equalizer. Okay, you can see trade successfully submitted. Nice. So let's see what happens here. So this is a no market bot here, a no market bot, meaning I'm only trading the no side of sweeps that come in, placing limit orders 20% below. Why? Because I think that's a slick idea. Order book. Okay. Graph. So I already have a bid. So something wrong happened, clearly. Positions history. So I just bought no at 42 cents. Yeah, so you fucked up somewhere. You fucked up somewhere, bro. Yeah, buddy, you done fucked up somewhere. It's all good though. You can see that it placed the order and filled immediately, so it clearly didn't put it at 20% below. So we must be getting the data wrong. You can see here's the actual output of the code. So you can backtrack to see what's going on. Okay, position size, 2% of account. Okay. Placing limit order. Super Bowl champ. So I'm probably in a bunch of positions now. Frick. So I bought no here on accident. Damn, dude. How's the arbitrage bot going? Not nothing. It's doing nothing. It's right here. 0 opportunities found in the last 24 hours. Well, actually, like 20 hours. So yesterday it did find some things, but the math was not mathing. So it did execute 3 or 4 trades that were unprofitable, not super unprofitable. I think there was just slippage. So what I did is I adjusted the math to be a percent wider. I think that would be better. But since I've done that, there's no trades that have happened. So yeah, thanks for asking. The updated landing page is now live. Okay, beautiful. Perfect, Moondive. Always look up the no correct. Okay. Now actually place orders at a discount instead of instantly filling. Test it and you should see. Okay, let's make it to be 1% of the account instead of 2% because, the last one failed and yeah. Maybe adding more coins for more opportunity. That's a great idea, dude. Probably a lot of coins that can monitor any coin essentially that is on Solana and Kraken. So that's a really good idea. Maybe I'll get to that. Thank you. Your guys' ideas. Your guys' ideas push me forward. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, so now it should be 1% safer. Okay. Before I get in all these weird ass trades. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna watch this tightly. Liquidation on Ethereum. Time is it 10? Okay. Today's gonna be another volatile day. Welcome to the league, bro. Welcome to the league. Welcome to the league, bro. You made it, boy. You made it. You made it. I'm keeping an eye on this because it's gonna try to throw in another trizzy. I don't want these positions already traded. What the hell? Why you even trade that though? That's a sports game. I said no sports. Oh shit. I said no sport. Are you still training sports? That's okay. That's okay. We'll see what happens. We'll catch you at the end of the game, okay? Okay, skipping again. Okay. I'm gonna actually just swap these two because then I can okay, successfully traded no market. Let's see. So let's see how she did it. Current no ass is 99 cents. Our bid would be 79 cents. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if we actually got it in, dude. Let's go ahead and see. Will Trump sue the BBC? Order book. Nah, you just getting the price wrongs, bro. Now it's super clear to me that you're just getting the price from somewhere else. Look at all this. You can see the prices. Or no, it is 66 cents. So your math is not mathing or something. Maybe you're not looking at the right token. I don't know. We got to fix this and change our percent to be 0.5%, 0.5% until we get this right. Because it just keeps putting me in random ass positions. Random positions, dude. Random positions. Okay, she's still running. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the website looking like because this is a free resource now. Let's go ahead and say refresh. we don't need both dashboards on there. Also, let's remove the boxes of total sweeps expiring soon. Total boxes. Let's total volume box. Let's remove that above the button that says live. Let's put that live button on the row of clusters over where the pause button will be. Um, let's remove live Polymarket dashboard header. We don't need two headers. It can just be Moondev's prediction bots. You can move that Moondev prediction bots up a little higher so it's closer to the top. Remove the real-time tracking of large orders, etc. It can be inferred that it's free. Essentially, we need to tighten this up so it'll just be the header, Moondev's prediction bots. No, let's make the header Polymarket trading bots. And then below will just be the dash, nice and compact. It will start where it shows the filters. And then it should show the sweeps. Currently, it's not showing any sweeps though, so it feels like the backend's not working or something. Go ahead and check that. Okay, this is fire, bro, because this is gonna be on the website for free. This is ugly, I know, but don't worry. I'll make it beautiful, like you. Dun, 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 dun. Fix it now. The bug was this. Okay. No, with zero verification. Let's get it right, dude. Let's get it right. Let's get it tight. Lock in all day. A landing page has been tightened up and simplified. Okay. Uh, empty dash. The backend is connected. WebSocket perfect. There are no sweeps showing because there simply haven't been any. Okay, let's see. This is too big of a gap right here. Polymarket trading bots and the dashboard, too big of a gap. It's like too much space in between. Tighten it up, bro. No sweeps yet. And remember, we are going to be collecting these sweeps on the back end, right? So that being said, if you see a sweep of $100, then it should be logged to the CSV. And then if it's older than an hour old, we'll put it on the storage CSV, but we'll only serve up the last hour sweeps. But still, it's not showing any, so I'm a little concerned. Do any testing you need. You know, $100. I'm looking at the activity tab on Polymarket, and there's been plenty of $100 trades so far. So maybe something's wrong. I don't know. I don't want to offend you. Dun, dun, dun. I don't want to offend you, little shorty, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, I posted the video about the arbitrage buy yesterday. That's why everybody's asking me about it. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Keep asking. I keep telling. I'll tell you anything. I'll tell you anything. I'll tell you anything, dude. Except the size of my. Yeah, I gotta go. I'll be right back. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this trading bot framework, and I'm not only going to let you steal it, I'm going to help you master it in the next 15 days in the Algo Trade Camp. If you are a crypto trader who is ambitious, committed, and persistent, and you're typically good at what you do, but your trading results are just not where you want them to be, well, here's a quick question for you. How would it feel if you could have a trading bot that traded for you for the rest of your life, with or without you logging into the computer each day? You see, I'm just a regular dude, but for the last few years, I've been using trading bots to manage my admittedly low 7-figure personal portfolio, while others struggle with controlling their emotions, staring at the charts all day. When you meet me at the Algo Trade Camp, I'm going to give you my exact blueprint. Look, we've all seen the countless ads, the cliches, the kids in the rented Lambos telling you how to trade. This isn't that. This is a proven trading bot system backed by real data and thousands of hours of research into automated trading systems. I put this system to the test to build a swarm of trading bots to manage my own personal portfolio. While I can't give you a plug and play, set and forget, and make $1 billion overnight bot, I put my money where my mouth is, and I use this exact framework to build all of my trading bots. But look, you've seen trading bots in the wild, heard of successful algo traders, and you hear that have become wild successful and make money, so you know it's possible to make your trading. And you're watching this video right now, so I know you're super smart, because searching for a more efficient way to trade, that's just something smart people do. And because you're smart, you all know there's a little something extra. You know there's a little piece of magic mixed into all of it. Now I know what it feels like, dude, not just to not make money trading, but to lose money due to emotions or just my poor human judgment. Everything else I could just work harder at and I would get better, but for trading, for some reason I could never get over the emotions. The times where I'd be up all night staring at the charts, just hoping it would go my way, just to fall asleep to a liquidation email. When you know you're ambitious and you're extremely persistent, you just can't figure out the game of trading. And to feel like, dude, I'm never gonna stop trading, but I keep losing. Look, I get that. It's normal for manual traders, hand traders, to lose money. 95% lose. I want to take you from that feeling, losing due to emotions, to being a dominant force in the crypto market. I want to help you automate your trade for the rest of your life so you can build any trading bot that you could ever imagine. I will help you automate your trading only if you are willing to challenge yourself and challenge. And I will help you automate your trading in the next 15 days in the Algo Trade Camp. Here's the big secret you've been waiting for. As an automated trader from home, there's really only 3 things you need to do to be extremely successful. Number 1, you have to build great trading ideas. Build a list of great trading ideas. You then test those ideas to see if they worked in the past. And if they worked in the past, then build a bot with tiny size to make sure they still work in the live market. If you can do all 3 of those things, it's pretty hard not to make money. In fact, I've never seen anyone who has great trading ideas, who tested them constantly and deployed them with tiny size, not have success with algo trading. I just haven't seen it, dude. And here's another fact. One good trading bot can wipe out all bad financial decisions you made in your entire life. And I know this because it happened to me. When you combine these 3 different elements, success isn't only possible, it's repeatable. This is my RBI framework. It comes down to researching, R, backtesting, B, and then implementing into bots, I. And when you make the right decision and you decide to meet me in the Algo Trade Camp, I'll show you exactly how to automate your trading strategy. And if you don't have one, we have hundreds we've researched from PH to get you started on your journey right now. And I want to help you automate your trading right now, not a year from now. I want to help you right now. If you don't know how to code, don't worry. I didn't know how to code either. I'll teach you step by step in the next 15 days. Listen, I had one bot that did me hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I don't have a big team or an unfair advantage. I'm standing here in a bedroom with a whiteboard behind me. I don't have employees, investors, or any long-term obligations. I'm free as a bird. I don't have a Lambo or some fancy New City office or Miami office. I'm a simple guy with a simple life. All I do is code with AI live on YouTube, just me, you, my computer, and my whiteboard. Quick story I like to leave out because it's a little bit embarrassing. But when I first got interested in automating my trading, I knew I had to learn to code because it would just be way too expensive to hire a developer to constantly update my bots. Anyways, I locked in for 2 to 4 hours a day until I successfully built my first bot. And then I put 10K in, and over the next 30 days, I watched that 10K go to 0. No wonder I was a losing hand trader. I was trading a strategy that didn't work. A strategy a bot couldn't even figure. And I was trading it as a huge. That day though, I developed my RBI framework to ensure I only run profitable bots. My RBI framework is simple. Research strategies, R, then backtest those strategies, B, and see if they work in the past. If they work in the past, then implement them with small size, not 10K. Hey, I'm Moondev, and that day, I developed a passion for trading bots and showing my RBI secret I uncovered. You have to test your bots before you run them with $10,000. If you can constantly research new trading ideas, then constantly backtest those ideas to see if they work in the past, and then take those that worked in the past and implement them into a bot with small size. If you can do that, you can't help but become a profitable algo trader. I'm just an independent trader from my bedroom who figured out a better way to approach the market. And I believe code's a great equalizer. If you know how to code, you can build cash flow for generations, for the rest of your life. So the way I looked at automating my trading was I could learn all this, and worst case scenario, I know how to code. And I could get a job for like 100K plus at a tech company. But best case scenario was I could have automated trading bots for the rest of my life. Now that's a solid risk reward if you ask me. Look, I know there's a lot of scammers out there. I want you to look me up, Google me, Search Moondev. You can see everything I am saying is true. I have videos of every single bot I've ever built, all for free on YouTube, including that one that made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. But just because it worked for me does not mean it's going to work for you. The number one rule of automated trading is to never run someone else's bot. Just like I got wrecked for $10,000 on my first bot, how would you possibly know if you downloaded a bot off the internet what it does, or when somebody runs it, or when they are hedging? No one will ever give you a profitable trading bot. That's one way to spot a scam. So if you're on the internet, YouTube, whatever, and it says a plug and play, make 1 ETH a day or 20% a day, you know that's a scam. You're about to lose all your money. You see, I'm not the type of guy to hype something up. I just try to transparently build bots that I think will make me money. Seriously, if you're skeptical at all, I have over 1,200 hours of free YouTube tutorials all on YouTube. You can really go get to know me. I've even hosted interviews with the top quants in the world, like Christina Shi. She traded $7.1 billion per day. That's billion with a B. And Dr. Ernest Chan, one of the greatest algorithmic traders of all time after Jim Simons himself. Rest in peace. I've even had the pleasure of interviewing some unnamed Renaissance employees, and we talked about the strategies Jim Simons and his company Renaissance used to use. So I just rebuilt them. And I'm telling you this not to brag, but I'm telling you this because I want you to take it seriously, because it could change your life like it's changed mine. Think about it. Who's the best trader of all time? Yeah, Jim Simons, the founder of Renaissance. What did Jim Simons do to trade better than everybody else? Yeah, he built trading bots that traded fully automatically. Even today, who's making all the money on Wall Street? Yeah, the trading bot firms. Google it. 2 Sigma, Jane Street, AQR, D, Shaw, Renaissance. Jim Simons died with a net worth of $31 billion. All from automated trading, because Jim was smart enough to realize there's patterns in the market that robots could trade that humans could never. So he essentially executed his own RBI framework for years on end. He once said, in a business like this, you just have to keep making things better and better and better. Essentially always researching new strategies, then backtesting those strategies to see if they worked in the past, and then testing those in the live market. Jim simply executed his system of testing and deploying for years until he was hyper profitable. Look, Jim didn't just become a multi-billionaire. He changed bloodlines and created generational wealth for employees, investors, and of course himself. But not only that, he returned over $100 billion in profits, and he was able to give away $4 billion to charities. How cool is that? Imagine if you could just have a fraction of that impact. The sad truth is most people don't actually want to make money with trading. They just want to gamble. But if you're committed to automating your trading and building out a provable edge, then it's an absolute travesty for you not to embrace these principles. So your trading can finally be as good as you know it should be without human intervention. Now, on this page, you see exactly what's in the 15 algo trade kit. If you think that will help you automate your trading, then grab your spot now. And at the risk of sounding bold, and I genuinely mean this, I think my stuff is the best. Not because of how much money I've made from my bots, but because there are plenty of people out there who have made a lot more money than I have, but more importantly, many people share any of this stuff. And I believe I explain everything in the most simple manner so you can actually automate your trading as a regular person. I don't care how the gurus are. They make trading way too complicated, and no one shows you how to automate it. My make automating your trading so you can do it. My advice is to grab a general VIP seat to a trade camp, and I highly recommend you grab a VIP ticket because they get lifetime access to the boot camp, and they get access to our inner circle calls, which are every Friday on Zoom with replays available. So you definitely want to miss that opportunity. I highly recommend the option. Here's the deal. You can join the masses and you can invest in cheap solutions, or you can invest in something that actually works. So if you're interested in automating your, grab your spot at the bootcamp below. I mean, you'll want to get the VIP experience. That's where we really roll up our sleeves and make the magic happen. So step up, start the Algo Trade Camp, And to ensure you have absolutely zero risk, I've implemented a 90-day cosmic guarantee. So you don't even have to say yes right now. Just say maybe, sign up. You can watch all of the boot camp, explore all of the back tests, the bots, connect with all of the hundreds of algorithmic traders in there. And if it's not for you, you have 90 full days in our 90-day cosmic 100% money back guarantee to just test it out. So jump in right now, say hello in the members chat. Me and hundreds of other automated traders are waiting to step on the gas with you. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this trading bot framework, and I'm not only going to let you steal it, I'm going to help you master it. In the next 15 days in the Algo Trade Camp. If you are a crypto trader who is ambitious, committed, and persistent, and you're typically good at what you do, but your trading results are just not where to be, well, here's a quick question for you. How would it feel if you could have a trading bot that traded for you for the rest of your life, with or without you logging into the computer each day? You see, I'm just a regular dude, but for the last few years, I've been using trading bots to manage my admittedly low 7-figure personal portfolio, while others struggle with controlling their emotions, staring at the charts all day. When you meet me at the Algo Trade Camp, I'm going to give you my exact blueprint. Look, we've all seen the countless ads, the cliches, the kids in the rented Lambos telling you how to trade. This isn't that. This is a proven trading bot system backed by real data and thousands of hours of research into automated trading systems. I put this system to the test using it to build a swarm of trading bots to manage my own personal portfolio. While I can't give you a plug and play, set and forget, and make $1 billion overnight bot, I put my money where my mouth is, and I use this exact framework to build all of my trading bots. But look, you've seen trading bots in the wild, you've heard successful traders, and you quants that have wildly successful and make crazy money, so you know it's possible to your trading. And you're watching this video right now, so I know you're super smart, because for a better, more efficient way to trade, that's just something smart people do. And because you're smart, you also know there's a little something extra. You know there's a little piece of magic mixed into all of it. Now I know what it feels like, dude, not just to not make money trading, but to lose money due to emotions or just my poor human judgment. Everything else I could just work harder at and I would get better, but for trading, for some reason, I could never get over the emotions. The times where I'd be up all night staring at the charts, just hoping it would go my way, just to fall asleep to a liquidation email when you know you're ambitious and you're extremely persistent, but you just can't figure out the game of trading, and to feel like, dude, I'm never gonna stop trading, but I keep losing. Look, I get that. It's normal for manual traders, hand traders, lose money. Remember, 95% lose. I want to take you from that feeling of losing due to emotions to being a dominant force in the crypto market. I want to help you automate your trading for the rest of your life so you can build any trading bot that you could ever imagine. I will help you automate your trading only if you are to step up, challenge yourself, this challenge. And I will help you automate your trades 15 days in the Algo Trade Camp. Here's the big secret waiting for. As an automated trader from home, there's really your trading so you can remove all emotions and all in-game decisions. I totally up and down and trying to kind of guess which way the charts are going to go, and you make some money, you lose some money. But the things that really hurt when you're in a trade for so long, you just keep staring at it and you're watching it go against you, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna stay up a little bit longer, and then you get liquidated because you're using too much leverage. You're a human being. It's not your fault at all, dude. We're built to be beautiful human beings with emotions. And if you've ever gotten in a fight with a spouse or whatever, you know that when your emotions hit, you cannot think clearly. So why do we trade by hand when we're using our life savings to trade? And we know for a fact when emotions hit, you cannot think logically. And that's directly from a Stanford professor. So I went ahead and I started to show my whole algo trading process step by step live on YouTube every single day. And what came from that is I got really good at algo trading, even though I did not know how to code when I first got started. So everybody was like, Moondev, please, please build a boot camp or some way to teach this in short, concise videos because your lives, they're awesome, but you're in the. Damn, my bad. I've been back. um, nah, fam, it should work specifically. Here's some example code of how to. This is like a sweeper dashboard that I know works without any type things. Okay, you can see that it just made an order, so let's check in on that, make sure it works okay. Let's go to Polymarket dashboard here. Sweeper dash. You can see this is my sweeper dashboard I run on my computer, and everything can be derived from this. So see what they do differently than you do. Okay, let's go to Polymarket here. Well, let's just go to the link that it gave us. Said it found Putin out before 2027. Copy. Paste it up in there. Damn, dude. All right, dude. Well, this time you can see that it went ahead and had a error here. And it put us in on a yes position. And on top of that, it filled immediately. Out before end of 26. I'll hold that. Whatever. It's $1. Da, 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 da. See what's going on over here. She's still working on that. Beautiful. Let's see what she can see. Maybe she can see what problems there are. Okay, I see the issue now. Your code is using a different WebSocket and subscription format. Wait, I need to check something. The gave us this, which showed 99 cents. These are different tokens. What if the WebSocket actually correct and we threw away the right token? Let me verify. Please, please do verify if you need to, because something weird is going on, dude. Okay, there we go. Now we got the data in here. Beautiful. Now we tracking. Now we tracking. And this opens them up. Perfect. Carlos. Nice, dude. Beautiful, 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 bro. Last updated. Now you got it working. That's what I like to see. I think we have plenty of room here in order to put the minimum amount, minimum price, and max price. And it ignores sports here on the same row as the sweeps no market buttons. And then let's call this header here, the Polymarket Alpha dashboard instead of Polymarket trade bots. And then below that, we'll have a similar, but the header will be